Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Tuesday afternoon from the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange. And as I'm sure you can tell, I'm in a good mood. My leg's still taking a little bit of a hit, but that doesn't matter because it was a great win last night. An amazing win for the orange and blue, but it's still a business day, so let's get it finished with. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. I'm about to run out of here with the rest of the investors and have ourselves a celebratory orange and blue drink and let the wins continue. It's time for happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now stocks, they are lower this Tuesday as investors take in strong consumer data while still keeping an eye on Apple shares and also the Fed. Now first, let's talk data, get that out of the way first. Consumer confidence for August rising to 101.1 with economists expecting 97. Not too bad. Also S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller 20 City Composite Index rising 5.1% year over year. And yes, the Fed back in the headlines. You can hear all the noise behind me. Investors continuing its search for clues regarding the Fed's next move. This after Fed Vice Chairman Stanley Fischer said that the U.S. job market is almost at full strength. Meanwhile, Apple on the radar today after the European Commission ordered Ireland, the nation of Ireland, to recover more than $14.5 billion in back taxes from the tech giant. Ireland is going to ask Apple for $14.5 billion in back taxes. Think about that for a second. And with U.S. crude down more than 1%, $46.37 a barrel, and gold slightly in the red, you have yourself a session right now where advancers are just a step ahead of decliners right here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the second trading session of the new week. And yes, there's a lot of noise behind me because stocks are trying to settle in for the session, but also because of yesterday's game. Bottom of the 10th, Miami Marlins versus the New York Mets in Flushing, Queens, 11:30 p.m. A late comeback turns into a late win for the New York Mets after a walk-off home run from who else but Cespedes. Mets fans know what I'm talking about. Let's keep the good times rolling and get that wild card spot. You know why? Because we are that good. And until tomorrow morning, from Modern Wall Street saying, let's go Mets, let's go stocks, I'm James Sweeney.